Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufemi Michael. I'm a data analytics instructor. Today we'll be looking at nested if function in Excel. Now when it comes to nested if function in Excel, it means you want to write more than one logical statements. And if you are going to write more than one logical statements, then you will need more than one if. That is, nested if we allow this. Now, what I want to do here is that I want to use nested if function to return the grades of each student. Now we have excellent, we have distinction, we have pass, and we also have fail. So I'm going to write my logical statement here to return each student's grade. So let's see, that will be equals to if this that will be equals to if this mark is greater than 80, comma, value if true, which is our next argument. That will be excellent. So I'll put excellence in this regard. Now, comma, now this one is value a false, but since I'm making use of nested if function, so I'm not going to put my value if false. I'm not going to return my value if false. Rather, I will continue writing my logical statement, which will be if this same mark is greater than 60, value true will be distinction. Will be distinction. Oh, sorry, mistake in the spelling. Distinction, comma. The next thing is if this is greater than 50, comma, value true, that will be pass, comma, then the next will be fail. So I'll put my fail, put my quotation, close my brackets, close my brackets, and then close my brackets, and I will hit my enter. So here I have fail, so I will auto fill. So I have my here. If you look at here 35, this fail, pass based on this, distinction will be based on this, distinction, and then we have 81 to 100, which will be excellent. So this is how you can make use of nested if in Microsoft Excel, and I hope you've learned something again today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to be able to see more of my videos. Thank you.